Hey, you have reached Sweet and Clean, the top-rated cleaning service in Denver, Colorado. My name is Luna. Who am I speaking with today?
Hey, Luna. My name is Andrew.
Nice to meet you, Andrew. What type of cleaning are you interested in? Is it for your home, vehicle, or maybe a commercial space?
It's going to be a home cleaning and then I guess also a vehicle cleaning. I've got one in my driveway that definitely could use a cleaning.
Got it. A home and a vehicle cleaning. For the home, are you thinking of a basic or deep cleaning? And how about the size of your home?
It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it hasn't been cleaned in a while, I'll be honest, so it could definitely use a deep cleaning.
A deep cleaning sounds like a great choice then. And for your vehicle, do you have any specific needs or just a general cleanup?
Yeah, just a general kind of detailing. Do you guys do actually the outside and inside of the vehicles?
Yes, we do both the inside and outside of vehicles. Would you like this to be a one-time service or something more regular?
For the house, probably just a one-time cleaning, but I'd be interested in doing the vehicle on a kind of recurring basis.
Great. We can set up a one-time deep cleaning for your home and a recurring service for your vehicle. How often would you like the vehicle cleaned?
Knowing how often I use it, probably once a month is good.
Once a month sounds perfect. Could you share your address so we know where to go for the home cleaning?
Yeah, it's gonna be 123 Main Street.
Thanks for that. And could I get your email address to keep you updated and send any confirmations?
Yeah, real quick before I give you that, can you tell me a little bit more, I guess, about the cleaning process and kind of what goes on in that and what services are specific in that cleaning you do?
Sure thing. For a deep home cleaning, we tackle everything from top to bottom. This includes dusting, vacuuming, mopping, and scrubbing bathrooms and kitchens thoroughly. We also clean baseboards, light fixtures, and any other nooks that need attention.